So I'm about to share a very simple way to earn an easy $1,000. I mean, you can invest with it, you can withdraw it and spend it how you like, do what you want with it. But yeah, just watch the rest of this video and it's going to explain. So I started out by opening an account and I invested $5. As you can tell, I've only invested $5 and I've withdrawn $1,622.88. Over time, I do get dividends because I left like $5 in here, so I haven't paid attention to it, but it still pays me. I didn't even know it was doing a whole dividend thing, but when you get the referral, the $1,000 referral, you have the option to just leave it in the account, let it pay you dividends and grow over time because this is like owning your own stock too. So there's an advantage in leaving it in the account, or you can withdraw it and do what you want with it. It is with it being involved with stock, there is risk involved with it. But at the same time, if you got a free $1,000, there's no risk to you at all. So it doesn't matter. What you do with it is up to you. So it's at your own risk to leave it or take it. And but yeah, just understand how taxes and all that works with it when it comes to stocks. But yeah, per referral you get $5. But here's how the special actually works. So the first time I did this, they started out you had to refer 8 people and then they had to invest just $5. That's it. Just start an account and invest their $5 after they get approved. So the first time I got $500. And then the next time you had to refer 12 people and I got $1,000 out of it. But this time they made it easier than that. You don't have to go through all that. So now you know you get paid dividends and you basically essentially own your own stock. So this time you only have to refer 4 people. So this can be brother and sister, mother and father, or whoever. They can help you just by signing up, and then you can just have them tell their friends to do the same thing or whatever you want to do. I can help you get set up today. All you have to do is just message me so to get the rest of the information, and I'll send you my link. You can sign up and I'll help you get started. As far as the full details, so you must sign up between the 4th and the 30th of this month. The bonuses are paid out by the 15th of next month, but they can't close their accounts before the 15th at all. They need to make a successful investment before the 15th. If they fail to do that, that results in the payments being reversed from your bank account or your Acorns account. So they have to keep their account open until the 15th in order for you to get paid. So, on all honesty, you don't even have to close your account at all. Just keep it open and leave like whatever amount in there you want, and you can collect an investment. So there's an actual benefit to actually keeping it open. But whatever you do, it is up to you. But this is what you're getting involved with. This is an opportunity to actually make an easy $1,000 just by sharing it with your friends. Just post it on social media and yeah, share it with people who are actually interested in making money, people who already need or just want to make some easy money. So if you want the information, just message me for it. So Acorns, First off, let me say I don't really use Acorns myself because I liked having like control of my investments. I'm strategic myself as an advanced investor, but for someone that's just kind of, I guess I should say, a beginner when it comes to investing, and they don't want to do the research or the learning or anything, and just kind of want to let the app do its thing on its own, then yeah, it's at your own risk to actually go with Acorns on that one. I'm sure they have some smart investors like managing the portfolio, but yeah, it's done okay. I've only left about $5 in the account and it's grown to 24 or so. But I've had my portfolio set to aggressive. So the way this app works, so you can set it to pretty much low risk to highly aggressive. So it's going to divide up your stocks based on, I guess, what they believe is a good stock, based on large company stocks, medium, small, international company stocks. So they just kind of do the investing for you. But well, they put your money into these stocks for you, I should say. And as far as the roundups are concerned, what that is, so for example, you went to go buy some coffee, I guess, for $1.55. So they're going to round up the 45 cents. So out of your card, you're paying $2, but that 45 cents goes towards this account. So you get every payment that you're kind of going with, it rounds up and gets added towards this account. So you're investing with your spare change, really. And that's how Acorns works, especially if you're going to the store a lot or making a ton of online purchases. That's how it's going to actually do it. So it's a way to kind of invest or build up, I guess, investment savings account without really paying attention to it. So you can always turn it off as well. You can control the settings, like have it set to aggressive investing, round everything up. You can put money in on your own or make it recurring, and if you like it. Oh, and yeah, I've been getting paid dividends as well. So they do dividends now. They weren't doing that at first when I first got in 2016, but yeah, that's one way to make it work. But I don't have a lot of money in this account, so that's good. Of course, the dividends are pretty small, but it's not bad. I mean, I only left about or yeah, about $5 in this account, and I haven't looked at this account since 2016, really, when they had that last $1,000 deal. So, here's how that worked. So, we'll go to view all. So they had at the time, actually, I'll just go straight to the deal. So the first time I took advantage of this, so you had to refer 12 people in order to get this 1,000. And then you had to refer 8 people in order to get $500. So I made an very easy 16 more than $1,600 because you also get paid for $5 per each person you refer. So yeah, I made some easy money. So let's go back. So easy money just for sharing this opportunity. Like I said, I invest myself. I use like accounts from like Robinhood and Fidelity. I don't invest into this at all. Like, as you can tell, I've only invested $5, but I've withdrawn like over $1,600. And yeah, I referred enough to get like $145 extra. And on top of that, I've been getting like dividends I didn't even know about. At the time, they were paying dividends at all, but yeah, it works out like 94 cents in dividends. But imagine if I left that $1,600 in there. But I put that towards the other investments. So I'm very strategic on my own with investing, so I don't use acorns like that. But for someone that's new to investing and just kind of want to get their feet wet, hey, it's a great start, especially if you don't have the time to actually learn the stuff. So, what I am sharing is this is an opportunity to kind of get involved with stocks and, yeah, let your money grow by either investing your spare change or whatever you want on, and just, yeah, getting involved with the stock market. Also, there are other opportunities. And withdrawing, how does that work? So it takes like 3 to 6 business days. They do have kids accounts as well if you want to take advantage of that. They have ways you can actually save money as well, and, well, get it more of a percentage towards this account if you start, like, well, spending your money at certain businesses. So 8%, like if you had to pay for TurboTax, so on top of the percentage that rounded up into this account already, you would get 8% more going towards this account. So that's the same towards a bunch of other businesses. Some of them will give like a flat out 150, additional $10 or whatever, and they'll give additional deals as well. So they give you opportunities to get $1 million for doing etc. So let's go to learn more and see how you can actually do that. So earn up to 52 entries. It's okay. So pretty much it looks like all you have to do is just, well, participate in their roundups and set up a recurring investment. And, yeah, you earn the entry for every 10 roundups. So every 10 purchases that you make, and that gets invested towards your Acorns account, you gain an additional entry and opportunity to get $1 million. I mean, of course, it's not guaranteed, but it gets you that opportunity with this app. But feel free to check that out. Feel free to check out their money making opportunities. Oh, they give you ways to find jobs and stuff as well. I didn't even know that. But yeah, there are plenty of ways to actually make this app work if you want to take advantage of that. Personally, I've only really used it for the referrals. I mean, especially right now, just for referring 4 people, you can get $1,000. So they have to, you have to refer them, and then they have to be approved to Acorns, and then right after that, they have to invest minimal their first $5. Right after that, it clears after, and it has to clear after about 3 days, I believe, to a week. Then you should be eligible after about getting 4 people signed up. So payments, you get paid on the 15th of May, and this has to be done before the end of April, so April 30th. So that's an opportunity for you to get invested and make some additional money. You can do whatever you want with the money. You can withdraw it, you can reinvest it yourself, you can put it into something different. It is totally up to you. This is just an additional opportunity that I'm sharing, so you can, well, get invested with stocks and have an opportunity to expand your income as well. So feel free to check it out.